Welcome to the demonstration of finance close demo board from AccleroTechnologies. In this short video, I will show how a Copilot agent can work with a structured business data to answer real finance close questions. Now what you see here, the list which is finance close demo board, is a SharePoint list acting as a live finance close board. Each row represents a finance activity, its due date and the remaining time. This is pre-calculated. Now if you look over here, there are columns such as country, action, due by, etc. As you can see, this data is already pre-processed. That means the deadline, sequencing and time remaining values are computed before the Copilot or an agent sees them. Now today this data is stored in SharePoint for simplicity, but in a real implementation the same data set and the other data sets that can be there associated with it can come from MySQL, SQL Server, SAP, Oracle or any other enterprise database. The key idea is very simple. Copilot works best when it reasons over clean pre-prepared data. Now I am going to transition to the Copilot agent. I am going to switch from SharePoint tab to Copilot app in Teams. This is the agent that we have built. Now this agent has exclusive access to this list as a knowledge source. As you can see, I am not uploading any files or pasting any data. The agent is reading directly from the system of record. Now let's go through the different scenarios as to how this agent will work. So for the first scenario, I am going to see a full timetable. So I am going to ask show finance close timetable for country 61. Let's see. Now it is searching for finance close timetable country 61 from the data, and let's see what it retrieves. See, so here the Copilot is retrieving full timetable. As you can see over here, a full timetable has come up and it is ordered by the due date. As you can see, the due date is 1st of April, 2nd of April, 3rd of April, 4th of April, 5th of April, 6th of April, right? And it is coming directly from the list. Now let's ask the next question. In the next question, I want to understand what's due next. So I have asked this question, what's due next? Let us see. Okay. So you can see that for country 61, the next item due, which is the latest open period 2026 March, sorted by close order, is approvals. And these approvals are due by 1st of April by 5 p.m. And now the time remaining is 2 days, 8 hours, and the responsibility lies with managers. So now you can see that whatever is the immediate next due, agent has been able to derive it. Now I want to actually see and do some filtered questions where I say that show only manager actions. I want to see what are the actions that are supposed to be taken by managers. Now as we can see here for country 61, for this 26 March, sorted by close order, the manager actions are approvals which are due by 1st of April 2026, time remaining again 2 days 8 hours. It's the same record. right? And basically the same data, different question. Now Copilot is filtering this by responsibility, and there is no additional extra logic that has been put over here. Now let's go to the scenario 4, which is executive summary. So I am going to say that summarize today's finance close situation. It's very important, and I want to see what is the situation today. All right. So here is the concise snapshot of today's finance close situation based on the latest open period, which is 2026 March for country 61, and then the finance close status is for country 61 the period is still open. There are 6 open actions, there are no overdue items, what is coming up the next and the remaining order of action, and we can actually even do this right by this week only or compared with another country. Right, so if I want to see, compare it with another country, we will say that compare with another country. This is the 5th scenario. See, as you can see, there is a country 61, there is a country 64. What is the situation? What are the actions? Who is responsible for those actions? And by which time it will have to be closed. And there are key takeaways that are given. Country 61 is more compressed. Country 64 runs one day later on most activities. There is a little bit of execution buffer there. As of today, they are on track. There are no overdue action. And then basically several things can be done based upon this information. So as you can see, to summarize, the power here is not just the agent, but the combination of the enterprise data which has been processed and which is usually processed in the system of record, and then an agent which is going to be able to provide reasoning and meaning to it. Now this pattern scales easily across finance, operations, compliance and several other use cases. As we always say, clean data plus Copilot agents is how we move from dashboards to conversations, and at AccleroTech we are experts at building such agents, connecting them with system of record and creating agents that are going to make life easy for businesses, creating agents that is going to accelerate productivity for global enterprises. Thank you so much.